It was a busy time in 1974. The University of St. Mary has finally allowed male students to enter its grounds. This was a pivotal and historic time for the campus. Attendance was skyrocketing and the university head was pleased. The university's reputation would be saved. New OSHA-safe railings would be put in place and the accident forgotten. But can anyone really forget about such a gruesome accident? Although the accident happened a century ago, for some, the story still lives permanently branded in their minds. Not to mention all the fabricated stories about a nun roaming the tunnels of the school. Hopefully at the end of this semester, a majority will have forgotten about the tragedy of Sister Nun.
Yeah!
Chad, would you get down from the table, man?
Oh, come on, man. Lift it up a little. It's a party. Woo!
I mean, why does he always have to do this?
Man, happens every time. Once he starts, you can't stop the guy.
Dude, it's the end of the semester, bro. We haven't been able to do this for a long time with all those classes. I'd say we celebrate our freedom.
Well, don't get too excited. We still have the next semester.
Dude, you know what I mean.
Well, all I'm saying is...
All I'm saying is...
Come on, Chad, knock it off.
Alright, sheesh. Sorry, Ned.
Hey, come on, Chad. You know how much I hate the smell of smoke.
Come on, dude, again?
What, bro? Do you think I'm gonna fall and lose my head or something?
Shh, don't mention that, bro. You know what? You know about those weird rumors going around? Sister Nun is gonna come after you.
You mean like the one who haunts the tunnels now? You know that's just a load of crap, right?
Wait, did you say haunting?
What, Ned? Are you scared?
Of course not.
Chad, quit picking on him, man.
I mean, if Ned really says he isn't, I think there's only one way to test that.
No, we can't do that.
I'll do it.
You can't be serious. There's no way you of all people are going down there.
Oh, come on, bro. Let the little boy prove himself. Am I right, everybody? Woo!
Fine, Chad.
Yes, bro. Like, what's honestly the worst that could happen?
Well, so far so good.
Shut up, Ned.
Huh? It's locked!
Well, I guess now we're gonna have to find another way out.
Dude, stop breathing on my neck.
Sorry.
I said stop!
That wasn't me. I'm all the way over here.
There's nobody there.
It's probably just airflow. Let's just keep going.
Wait, guys? Did you hear that?
I didn't hear anything.
Sound like someone's following us.
I didn't hear anything either.
Whatever. Let's just keep moving.
Okay, that I did hear.
It sounded like it came from the incinerator room.
Wait, where's Chad?
Those idiots, they're probably scared shitless right now. They're probably gonna piss themselves when I scare them. Chop shop? Perfect! I bet I can find an axe or something to scare them with. Aw, sick! There's so much stuff in here. Wait, who turned on the saw? Huh? There's no one here. I better turn it off so they don't know I'm in here.
That was Chad.
Let's go check. The chop shop? He's probably in there. Ned!
Sorry, I can't help but scream when Paul's head is literally lying on the floor right in front of us.
Alright, we gotta get out of here before this gets any worse. Check that door.
It's locked. I think there's a small window inside the incinerator room we could fit through. Quick!
Ned!
It's okay. There's no one else in here. It's just me. Huh? Ah!
Ned, no! I gotta get out of here. Locked. Also locked. They're all locked. Finally. No exits though, just metal pipes. Well, if it's a fight she wants, then it's a fight she's gonna get. You hear me? All my friends died, but you're not gonna get me! Uh-oh. I've checked almost every room. Laundry room? Worth the shot. Gross, there's just dirty laundry everywhere.
A window!
As Paul frantically climbed through the window, he looked back to notice that Sister Nun had stopped right in front of the door to the laundry room. Paul didn't give it much thought, too focused on getting away from the demon as fast as possible. After 2 minutes of sprinting away, Paul finally collapsed in his dorm bed, his mind racing like an animal corralled in a corner. That thing that Paul had seen took his friends. Finally understanding the gravity of the situation, Paul realized that all the rumors were true. He knew that the thing in the tunnel was none other than Sister Nun.